In this video, we follow a man and his loyal dog as they embark on an incredible journey to construct a bear-shaped shelter deep in the forest. A true masterpiece built entirely by hand in the heart of untamed nature. The construction takes exactly 15 days from start to finish. But once completed, the man makes this remarkable shelter his home for an impressive 68 full days, immersing himself completely in the wilderness and living according to the rhythms of the natural world. He begins by assembling a complex framework from large branches, positioning each piece with careful precision and unwavering focus. Though the placement might appear random at first glance, every single branch serves a specific purpose in forming the bear's distinctive structure. Thick trunk segments create the sturdy vertical supports that will hold the entire shelter, while thinner, more flexible branches weave gracefully between them as connecting links, binding everything together. Layer by layer, with meticulous attention to detail, he covers the skeletal frame with smaller branches. Gradually, like a sculptor revealing a hidden form, the bear's curved spine and powerful shoulders emerge from the intricate design. This isn't merely a shelter, it's a profound symbol. The bear represents strength, patience, and protection in many cultures. By choosing this majestic form, the man recreates the very spirit of the forest with his own two hands, honoring the wilderness that surrounds him. As the sun sets and the forest falls into peaceful silence, the exhausted builder finally allows himself to rest after a full day of demanding physical work. The bear-shaped silhouette now stands clearly defined against the darkening sky. A curved back, a sloping head, and powerful legs taking magnificent form. Ramiz, whose entertaining character and infectious enthusiasm shine throughout this entire project, now begins the delicate work of sculpting the bear's facial features, bringing personality and life to his creation. Remember the iron wire he used earlier to secure the branches together? Here, He demonstrates environmental consciousness by using a magnet to carefully collect any fallen pieces from the ground, a thoughtful gesture that shows his deep respect for the natural environment. Now comes the crucial mudwork phase. The man digs a substantial pit, then cleverly diverts a nearby stream to flow into the excavated area, creating a natural mixing basin. He gathers armfuls of tall grasses from the surroundings and mixes them thoroughly with the wet mud. These grasses act as natural reinforcement fibers, binding the mixture together and transforming simple mud into nature's own concrete. Strong, durable, and completely organic. Working with his bare hands, he applies this earthy mixture to the skeletal frame with practiced movements. The mud seeps into every gap between the twigs, sealing them completely before hardening quickly under the warm sun's heat. What was once just a structure now resembles a living creature born from the earth itself. Layer by patient layer, the man works tirelessly, soil, water, and grass combining harmoniously to form the bear's protective skin. Next, he turns his attention to finishing the interior floor by cutting uniform pieces of wood and fitting them precisely into place, creating a solid, level surface. The inside begins to feel like a true home. He constructs a comfortable bed from carefully selected log sections, then builds a simple but functional table and chair for his daily activities. Now comes a crucial element, the hearth. This fire will provide essential warmth during cold nights and allow him to cook nourishing meals, but it represents something deeper, the first breath that brings the shelter truly to life. Smoke rises gracefully from the earthen hearth and drifts upward through the bear's nose, as if the creature itself is breathing. As sunset approaches, the forest grows quiet once more. the man ventures into the woods to hunt, setting a carefully positioned trap near a rabbit burrow. Life here follows nature's ancient, unbreakable rules. Predator and prey exist as integral parts of the same eternal cycle. Humanity thrives not by conquering nature, but by becoming one with it. This shelter stands as more than just protection from the elements. It's a living testament to patience, hard work, and complete harmony with the natural world.